Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the pod. You want clear access to the contacts. Check the metal contacts on both pod and device for debris, e-liquid, or green corrosion. This causes most failures. Once done, plug the charger in for 10-15 minutes and observe the LED pattern to confirm charging. Make sure to use a dry, lint-free cotton swab with 70% isopropyl to gently clean contacts, and dry fully before reassembling, so connections can restore proper conductivity. You should now isolate where the problem lies. Try a known good pod to determine whether the pod or the device is faulty. If the pod works, replace the faulty pod. If not, inspect the internal contacts. Use a plastic pick to very gently realign any bent contacts. Metal tools risk shorting. Also examine airflow holes and the magnetic pod latch. Sticky residue or misaligned magnets can prevent detection. Make sure to test after each minor adjustment so you know what fixed it. You finish by reassembling the device, seating a fresh pod, and charging fully before testing. This confirms stability. If intermittent, perform a soft reset. Drain the battery until the LED stops, then charge for 30+ minutes and retest. Make sure to observe LED blink patterns and tactile feel when a pod connects. These clues indicate battery or detection issues. If the device still fails after cleaning, contact authorized repair or replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.